it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I am bringing you one of your favorites, a review. You know I love to give my candid thoughts on all things vegan, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm thinking about making this like a monthly thing. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. I want to hear from you. Well, I'm excited to tell you what we're taste testing today. So one is gonna be, it's called C2O, not to be confused with CO2, and it's coconut water with espresso. And I'm gonna be tasting Peatos. So let's get to it. All right, let's do the Peatos first, and that way we can wash it down with our coconut espresso water. These are supposed to be junk food taste made from peas. And this is fiery hot. I've heard this compared to hot Cheetos, which are not vegan, so it's an alternative. Let's give it a taste. They smell like barbecue. I'm just gonna do it. Let's get right into it. Let me try one more. So they are spicy, which is good. Okay, let me just be honest and tell you what it's giving me. It's giving me, have you ever had just gluten that has to be, imagine eating gluten that's not yet been reconstituted. That's what it smells like mixed with barbecue, and it tastes kind of like a dried ketchup chip, but spicy. I've never had pork rinds, but I imagine that like it could kind of taste like that. I'm not quite sure what to do with this. I think it's one of those things that like as you keep eating, it kind of grows on you. Let me see if that's true. No, it's not true. All right, on to the coconut espresso. So let me just make sure there's no chill. So it's already been chilled for a couple hours. Shake and enjoy. Got my straw. Oh. I kind of like this. So I love coconut water to begin with. And I love coffee taste, but coffee doesn't do anything to help me stay awake. But let me just say this. So half a can is a serving, so you gotta be careful with this that you don't do the whole thing. But I like this. This is good. Very nice and refreshing. It's really good and smooth. It's like, imagine having coffee with coconut creamer. It's kind of got that vibe, but not as heavy from like the milk part. I don't know. This is good. I like this. I really like this. So if we have to give a pop-in, does anything get the title pop-in from Sister Girl Tuesday? Definitely the espresso water. Pop-in, I like that. Not so pop-in? I don't know. If you guys try these, let me know what you think. I think I'm gonna stick to eating like Takis because those don't have cheese in them. So yeah, but that's all folks. That's it for Sister Girl Tuesday, giving you a candid taste test. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.